So today I'm doing a super quick surface clean. I like to do these on Fridays now. Gives it a little refresh. And I bought some new scents from Jo Malone, so I'm going to try those out today. I got a room spray I'm going to try. Anyway, let me get started. Welcome to a new Clean With Me routine, UK edition. If you haven't noticed, I have relocated to the UK, so my cleaning routine has changed just a little bit. I saw a recent blog post and she was able to achieve like a whole house clean in like 30 minutes. I spend a lot of time cleaning the house and sometimes a quick clean is all you need. So that's my goal for today, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to focus on this one room. I actually did do a whole house clean when I recorded this video, but I'll just show you all the steps in our living room. So I have a load of laundry in the washer and I put some toilet bowl cleaner in both of the toilets upstairs and downstairs. I like to tidy up the room, so pick up all the crap off of all the surfaces. All the tables, all the shelves, whatever. Get rid of some of this recycling and trash in this room. Right after that, I'm just gonna dust. There's a table in here, bookshelves, mantle, mirror, TV stand, and a TV, wall art. Now I'm going to go in with this Method Antibac all-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to spray this on all of the flat surfaces. And while that spray is sitting, I'm going to go through and wipe down all of the touch points with this disinfectant spray. So any handles, knobs, light switches, faucets, things that we touch all the time, remotes. Right here, I'm just going to wipe those down and disinfect those real quick. So I just grabbed a damp cloth. So it's just a quick surface wipe everywhere. To finish off, I'm just going to vacuum the floors. Fluff up the pillows on the sofa, and then that's a day done.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me